So I'm back again. This here will be the binding. I don't know if you can see that there. That's what I'm going to put in. It's like a pearl black, and it's 1.5 millimeters thick by a centimeter deep. Now, normally you're supposed to adjust this thing here, this device here, this guide, to make it even so that it goes all the way around and it keeps the same depth. But this bit on here is specifically designed to only go 1.5 millimeters deep. So this wheel follows the side of the guitar too, the profile all the way around. So you should end up with a channel that is 1.5 millimeters deep by a centimeter thick, or whatever, whichever way you want to look at it. So anyways, put that down here, and I'm going to attempt to route this binding channel. So first I'm going to do a test. I'm just going to put it up here on this part because that's where the neck's going on. So I'm just going to do a little piece and see where we're at to check the depth. I just noticed something. I have to move that corkboard before I do anything. Always something, because that router base is banging into it. So I'm going to put that over here so it's not in the way. It's still on under there. Yeah, okay, good. Give that another little clamp. Okay. Oh, no, I don't want to go that far. There. Okay. Okay, so let's do a little area. Just do a little bit. Okay, there's a little bit of fluff on the end there. Let's see. There, get that out of there. Now, where's my binding? Just going to test the depth of this. That looks to be about right. Should have went a little bit further, but let's see. Yeah. Yep, that's it. So she's good. So I'm going to route the binding all the way around, change it around, do the same thing we did last time, and clamp it the other side. Do half a guitar at a time. I should get a table router. That's what I should do. I need a bigger table. Anyway. Let's see. Okay, that's all good. Make sure this is tight. Okay, there we go. Tight. 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 Okay, good. Everything shouldn't be moving. So let's route this channel for the binding. Well, that sure took out I had some old binding in there and it was like glued in pretty good. So now I got black specks everywhere. But I took it all out. So let's see. Yeah, I'll get a better idea. Oh yeah, look at that. That's even. Awesome.